Welcome to Metaroom, the core of your 3D modeling workflow. Metaroom is a powerful browser-based platform that allows you to refine, interact with, and enhance your 3D scans effortlessly.
After scanning a space with the Metaroom Scan app, you can easily access your 3D model on your desktop computer through any browser. Simply log in with your credentials and select a scanned space to open the 3D model.
The model tree provides a quick overview of all captured details. It displays different floors, rooms, and all automatically recognized elements within the parametric 3D model.
You can select, hide, or show various objects in the model and rotate it to your preferred view. For project documentation and to augment the 3D model, you can add names or notes to any captured element by clicking the element in the model tree. This feature is perfect for tracking important details and collaborating with team members.
You can activate or deactivate the measurement tool in the navigation bar. Click on any detail in the model to view measurements. You can choose between length and area, as well as metric or imperial units. You can also manually measure distances between objects and spaces.
Rooms are recognized automatically when scanning. Disable or enable this feature as you prefer.
Sharing your 3D model with colleagues is simple. Just copy the link to your clipboard.
If you captured snapshots during your scan, you can view them by clicking the icon. Use these snapshots for documentation or to access the AI-assisted 3D object creation. The Intelligent Instant Segmentation tool helps you identify, isolate, and create additional 3D elements from your scanned space that were not captured automatically. With just a few clicks, you can add surfaces or boxes, transforming your scans into a comprehensive and optimized model tailored to your needs.
If you didn't capture snapshots during the scan, you can still access images or so-called scan frames through the scan path. Scan frames are automatically taken during scanning. Click on a dot with the arrow pointing in the desired direction to review and create objects from these scan frames if needed.
Metaroom's parametric model gives you the flexibility to show or hide assets and textures in the 3D model. When your model is fully optimized, Metaroom's export functionality allows seamless integration with your preferred CAD software. Choose from a variety of industry-standard formats. You can even download simpler 2D plans in different formats if needed.
Save up to 90% of your time today while producing high-quality, professional-grade 3D models or 2D plans with Metaroom.